welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. I need to get a better line. Anyways, so today we are decorating my bedroom, my master bedroom, for Christmas. I'm so excited. Okay, so what do you call it? Full transparency? I pre-cleaned my room for you guys because it was bad. And we ain't friends like that yet. I'm just kidding. No, we're friends, but I want to spare you guys. Actually, I want to spare myself the embarrassment. Listen, my room is the catch-all for everyone and their mother, literally. So my bedroom is always kind of like, oh, there's no place for it. Put it in my room. No one goes in there. So anyways, I pre-cleaned. I hung up clothes that I had on the side. You know, everybody got that little pile of clothes. I done hung it up. And then me and my husband cleaned our closet. Not that you guys are going to see our closet, but you know, it's like one of those things when people come over to your house and you clean every single little thing possible. And my husband's like, they're not going to look in the cupboards. I'm like, what if they do? What if they go and say, let me see what they got in there? So anyways, even though you guys are not going to see our closet is clean. Anyways, so it's not fully clean. I'm still dusting and stuff, but I figured you guys can see dust. We're friends. And I don't get embarrassed for dust. So anyways, let's go. My intro is like 15 years long already. So let's go. Let's decorate, and I hope you guys get inspired and you go decorate your house too. Okay. Okay, so this is my husband's side. And this is clean, y'all, because this man, when I tell you, he just got, like, why? Why do you have 15 chargers or whatever the heck those are? I don't know. And then, guys, this is where he keeps, I don't know if the gun is in there, but we have a gun. I don't have a gun. He has a gun. The psycho has a gun. And it's next to our bed. He drilled giant holes in my wall for his safe. That's a safe for the gun to obviously protect the kids, and it has a passcode or whatever. So, but yeah, I don't even know if the gun is in there. I don't know where it's at. He is licensed, you know, for those who are worried, he has a license and everything, and it's always in a safe place, and our kids know not to touch ever a gun. But anyways, with that being said, that is what that giant black thing is in my room with all these cables. So he has a GoPro. He doesn't use it. Yeah, I don't. It's kind of weird because it looks like he's recording right now. He probably is. He's a psycho. I'm just kidding. I need to take that out. I'm talking too much. Anyways, I'm going to kind of clear this out, but maybe not, because he's probably going to end up, I don't know. Anyways, we'll see. I don't know if I'll decorate his side. I might just put a little tree or something so that it looks decent. Maybe just for now to take pictures for IG. But anyways, yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to do here. We'll figure it out. But he has more cables over there. I mean, how many things do you need to charge, mister? Anyways, so my room is pretty, let me change the view. Okay, my room is pretty big. I used to have like seats over there, like, because you can put a whole couch there. The previous owners had a couch there, and it's plenty of room. But I don't know why I took it out. I have the vacuum on the floor. I told you guys I was pre-cleaning. And then I have all this stuff that I'm cleaning with. But anyways, the main thing is, this is my room. I didn't go buy anything new. This is like sheets that I've had for years. Probably like when we first moved in, I bought these sheets. And those pillows I've had since we moved in, and we've been in this house for like 6 to 7 years already. So, yeah, that's what I have. I was going to buy something new, but listen, Christmas is expensive, and yeah. Anyways, so that is the bed. This side has a mess again, but that's my husband's colognes. These are mine, are my perfumes. And as you can tell, My husband has a little bit of an obsession with colognes. The bottom is just his crap. These are his colognes. He literally watches YouTube channels about colognes all day long. Like if the people say, "Oh, this one is really good," or whatever, he wants to have. Okay, anyways, I'm talking way too much. Do you guys get mad? Comment down below if you don't like when I talk, because I'll shut up. But there are people that like. Anyways, point is, he's obsessed with cologne. So I'm just gonna dust this off really quick. I'm not gonna decorate this because he can't stand when I bother his stuff. So I'm gonna dust this off. I'm gonna dust my side off. And then we will keep going. Look it, guys. It's dusty because I need a dust, but look. I was pregnant with my Twinkies. Wow, that's really dusty. Okay, all better. Oh, but look, I was so cute. Chad was cute too, I guess. Anyways, all right, let's start.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
And then down here I have this little sign I got at home. It says, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, and it has like little snow if you move it. And then I got those like the firewood looking things from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I love it. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love it. It looks so pretty. Okay, so starting over here, we have this wreath that I got at Target. I put it on both sides, and then I just put a little ornament that I had extra hanging from there to put a little sparkle. And then I put this little sleigh here because it matches, 1, and 2, my husband can put all his junk in there to kind of keep it you know, as clean as possible, because he has a lot of stuff he needs to put on his nightstand, so he can keep it maintained, little clutter in there. Let's see if it works. And then I just streamed some I think they're called fairy lights, I don't know, on there, just because at night it'll look cute. With the light on it doesn't look great, but I'll show you guys at night. And then I got this Feliz Navidad, which means Merry Christmas in Spanish. I got it from Ross. And then over here, we have the same wreath. And then this little sign that says, it's the most wonderful time of the year, and just a little tree. And I left that side empty because I do put my phones and all my junk on there, but I took it out for you guys to see it all pretty. And then the most important part is the tree. The ribbon looks black right now because of the lighting, but I'll fix it. But this is the tree. I love it. And then I put these little 2 stockings. I had these stockings for years already. I got them at Target, but I just made that bow up there because I had extra ribbon, so I made the bow and I put that little star, that thing, what is that, an ornament, I don't know. But I'm gonna show you guys up close. Okay, so this is the semi nighttime look. It's still light out, but anyways, you get the point. Our lights, they change colors, and we have an app that we could change the color of the lights to whatever we want it to be. My husband has his on like a purpley color right now, and I just put mine on green. So yeah, so I love it though. It's so cozy. Let me close the shades, maybe that'll work. Okay, here we go. I love it. I'm so excited. I kind of like his purpley color. Maybe I should change mine. Okay, that's as close as I can get to his settings. He played with his a lot. Like, he moved the saturation, the brightness. I mean, he definitely customized his. Anyways, yeah, but this is what it looks like. I'm excited. Okay, so that will do it for me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family. I'm almost at 500. I'm so excited. So, y'all make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time that I post. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.